Good morning from sunny France over here in Moselle, and thank you for registering for the Mindset of the High Achievers workshop this afternoon. Just a quick reminder for you, I'm looking forward to seeing you there. The Zoom link will be in your message feed above this. I sent it out during the week. If you haven't got it, you can't find it, you're unsure, drop me a note back, I'll resend the link over to you. If you're in the UK, it starts at 3 o'clock on Monday the 18th of October. If you're in France, Germany, Luxembourg, it's 4 o'clock till about 5 o'clock. So looking forward to seeing you there. Any questions, drop me a note. And in the meantime, have a great day, and I'll see you later on this afternoon. Bye for now.